It is not just India. Under Trump 2.0, the US has sent undocumented immigrants from several Asian countries whose governments have refused to accept them to Panama. A military plane carrying 119 immigrants from countries including Afghanistan, Iran, Uzbekistan, China, Sri Lanka, Turkey and Pakistan flew from California to Panama City. Deportations of illegals have taken flight under Trump 2.0. The first flight carrying detained undocumented migrants arrived at the Guantanamo Bay US Naval Base on February 4th. The Trump administration said that flight carried alleged members of the Venezuelan gang but did not disclose specific charges or convictions. 2 days later, on 6th February, a deportation flight from Louisiana landed in Callao, Peru, carrying 106 Peruvian citizens who were detained in the United States for immigration violations.
They maltreated us. Thank God we are okay now.
The Peruvian foreign minister says that US authorities have deported 140 Peruvian nationals since the beginning of February. On January 24th, Mexico denied a US military plane carrying 80 migrants access to land. However, it allowed 4 government-chartered flights carrying deportees to land later the same day. On January 26th, the Colombian government barred 2 military planes carrying its citizens deported from the US from landing. Bogota said it would send its own planes to bring migrants home. A total of 265 Guatemalans arrived on 3 flights, 2 operated by the military and 1 a charter on January 27th. On January 20th, a flight arrived in Brazil with deported immigrants in handcuffs. A US military plane carrying 72 deportees landed in Honduras on February 1st. Since his return to the White House, Donald Trump has declared that he aims to deport millions of criminal aliens for now. It looks like that he's charging ahead with that plan.